Hi, hello, this is your Madhusudan Reddy Kunreddy. Welcome back to my channel Mad Hearty. So today I'll show you the one important vegetable crop. So that is ivy gourd. Ivy gourd belongs to family Cucurbitaceae and it is originated in India and having the diploid chromosome number 2n equal to 24. And ivy gourd is also called as little gourd, also called as scarlet gourd and kundru or tindora, etc. In Telugu we call it as donda kaya. Next, coming to its botany. So it is a cucurbitaceous viney crop and it is perennial and dioecious in nature also. So dioecious means the male and female plants are separated. For the planting of ivy gourd, so it should require 10% male population, means in every 100 plants 10 plants should be male. And next, coming to its propagation, so ivy gourd can be propagated by stem cuttings. The cuttings which are used for the ivy gourd propagation contains 4 to 6 leaves, and the spacing followed in the ivy gourd is plant to plant distance is 60 centimeters. Here we can see plant to plant distance is 60 centimeters, and the row to row distance we can observe is row to row distance observed is 2 meters. Okay. Next, at the time of planting, cuttings should be buried up to 6 centimeters in the. Next, coming to flowering and fruit setting. So ivy gourd will take 3 months for fruit harvesting from the date of planting. It will take 2 months for flower initiation from the date of planting. Okay, so I'll show you the flower of little gourd or ivy gourd. So here we can observe this is the flower of ivy gourd. So flower, it is in white color, so that ivy gourd is also called as white flower gourd. And next, here we can see this is the fruit of ivy gourd. So from flowering to fruit harvesting it will take 1 month time, right? And next we are going to talk about training and pruning. So it is a viney crop, so it requires staking by means of bamboo sticks or some stakes or pandals. So here we are seeing the farmer is trained the ivy gourd plants on the pandal system. So for pandal, for the installation of pandals, the government will give 50% subsidy to the farmer. For the installation of pandals per 1 acre, it will cost around 1 lakh. So within this 1 lakh, government will give 50,000 and farmers have to bear remaining 50,000 rupees. So how we have to install the pandal? The spacing followed between the pandals is 15 feet and the row to row distance between the pandals is 18 feet. So here we can see, so this is one row and this is another row. The row to row distance is 18 feet and between the poles, one pole and this is second pole, between the poles is 15 feet, and these all poles are interconnected by the wires. Here we can see this is the wire, iron wire. So the gauge of iron wire should be 8 to 10 gauge. So this is the 10 gauge wire, so which is used to train the vines. And here also we can see this is the iron wire and which is used for the support. So the thickness of this wire used for the support is 8 gauge. So in some cases the farmers, they don't have money, they cannot able to bear the 50,000 also. So in that case the farmers used bamboo sticks for the training of EV guard vines. Next, coming to pruning. So immediately after fruit harvesting, so pruning should be done. So in pruning what we have to do is we have to leave the 70 centimeters vine, and the remaining vine should be cut it back. Here we can see, so this is the dried vine, the fruits on which are already harvested, so that we have to cut back this vine by leaving 70 centimeters length of vine from the base. Now here we can see the harvesting of EV guard fruits. The harvested EV guard fruits are filled in the perforated bags, and here we can observe the labor are harvesting the EV guard fruits by their hands. Bags. And coming to its yield, so per hectare, so we can get 10 to 20 tons of EV guard fruits. So which type of fruit we have to harvest is immature fruits. We have to harvest only immature fruit. So here we can see this is immature fruit. Okay, we cannot go for the harvesting of ripe fruits. So I'll show you the ripe fruit also. So here we can see the ripe fruit. Okay, so it is in red color. So the buyers, they don't buy the ripe fruits, and it is not useful for the culinary purpose also. Only the immature fruits are useful for the culinary purpose. Here we are seeing the 2 acres of EV guard field which is planted before 1 year on the pandal system. So and it is recommended to replace the EV guard field after 4 years. This is all about EV guard cultivation. Okay, I hope you people will like my video. So if you really like my video, don't forget to share and don't forget to like, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos. So I'll meet you in the next video with one more interesting topic. Until then, take care, bye bye.